Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po ania Fire Brigade Shillong. Regat bat ka Fitorium. Ka dukan ki tiar kilan met ka babhatam. Hakador ka babin.
Ka Public Accounts Committee jong ka ying dorbar thao an ka Jilla Meghalaya ka labtha ya ka Tanat Sports and Youth Affairs bakan kiar na ka bale lutput ya ka pisa kuntup ka fund parking ka bakta apat ha ka bachna ya ka jingtay ki ban kinteu ki kamyale ka sports ha ka Jilla. Udkhot jong ka Public Accounts Committee uba HM Shangpliang haba ya keren bat kilat pathai khubor ulayathu baka committee ka labtha ya ka Tanat Sports and Youth Affairs bakan ampendon kam thurmur bat ban le lutput ya ka pisa bat ya ka fund parking klem da yo ya ka jing menjur na ka sarkar. Kani ka jing ptha jong kani ka committee ka yeng dorbar thao an kalong hadin bakala khot hajir ya ki officer jong ka Tanat Sports and Youth Affairs ha ka jing ilang ka balalong ha ka janmit jong ka arphulai tarik urumphang arajar arphuway.
There are a lot of irregularities since 2010-2012 onwards, which have been highlighted by the CAG. And therefore, to this respect also, the committee had examined threadbare with the officers of the Sports and Youth Affairs Department, and we are given to understand that many such irregularities have already been rectified by the Sports Department. And there were discussions relating to shortage of coaches. Even on this aspect, the department concerned is taking up vigorously with the MPSC for the recruitment of the coaches, and very shortly, I guess, these vacancies will be filled up. And relating to the delay in the creation of the infrastructure, sometimes it is due to technical problem, it is due to non-availability of land. Therefore, from now on, apparently the department has already issued directives that no sports infrastructure will be taken up unless land is made available prior to the consideration of the project. So those are few issues that we have discussed, and we have already asked and directed the sports department to refrain and restrain from irregularities, as in parking of funds without approval of the government, then using the amount sanctioned by the government in the form of mutual funds and so on. So these all have been directed by the PSC to the sports department to refrain from doing such illegal activities. Therefore, the commitment has been made by the Commissioner and Secretary of Sports that streamlining of the department has been done, and therefore we expect that the sports department will function well henceforth. The funds, it says the funds meant for creation of sports infrastructure were irregularly invested in mutual funds to the tune of rupees 62.22 crores, or they were blocked up in fixed deposits which accrued to an amount of 126.07 crores. And the interest that accrued out of that came to 7.61 crores that was earned from savings and fixed deposit accounts and mutual funds which were not disclosed to the state government. This was the observation of the CAG. Well, that is in the purview of the state government. We have this report is also available to the government, the CAG's report. And today the Commissioner Secretary Sports has clarified that all these has been removed and there's no more parking of funds in these mutual funds anymore. They have these accounts. Well, I agree to you with your views that parking of such funds that were sanctioned for creation of infrastructure has really hampered the development of the sports infrastructure in the state. But I think the explanation given by the Commissioner Secretary of Sports was that though the money has been sanctioned, the ground preparation was not ready. As in, they were not ready with the land, and there were a lot of dispute for non-availability of land, and therefore these has created or has encouraged the sports officials to park this money in the mutual funds, because the SSCM normally they thrive on the interest that they get from the government to pay the salaries and to do all the other activities for the maintenance of the office. Shortage of coaches in various disciplines in all the districts of the state, and 13 posts of coaches sanctioned between May 2005 and March 2015 had not been filled. Other than football and athletics, there was no system in place to spot the nurture the talent at an early age. This was the observation of the CG. The committee directed that they should immediately recruit these and fill these posts, and they have replied that yes, the process is on, and they have already approached the MPSC for early recruitment and filling up the vacancies.